Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is V. If you're new here, I'm happy to have you. If you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for coming back. In today's simple eyeshadow look, I am going to use the AURORA Lights by BH Cosmetics, and it is an all shimmer palette. I'm going to use all the purple in there to create one simple eyeshadow look. Palette. These are the colors. I need my glue in order to get everything to stay, so I'm going to use some glue. You can see. Purple. First purple, I have to remember which ones because they are a lot. I want a little bit of each purple. I love this palette. I bought it for all the colors. On my note. I just haven't used it in a while, but I love the colors. They are pretty. Okay, there's another purple right here. I'm trying to get all of them. I think there are 5 purples in there. This is the deepest one. I want it right here. Those are pretty purples. Pretty purples. And the last purple, okay. This one you actually have to swipe it for it to show the purple. This is the color right there. It's like a purple pink. These are the different purples I'm putting on my eyes. Right, so now we have all of this color. We need to do something to bring them all together, marry them off together. This is pretty, isn't it? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. None of this colors. And this one. This one to help me marry everything. My hands will do a better job. We need lipstick. Lipstick. Lipstick to finish. This is a quick, simple, everyday eyeshadow look. Quick, simple, fast. Time is running out. Gotta get going. Okay, this palette. Let me fix myself. This palette right here is the AURORA Lights palette. Love this palette. I bought this a while back. Used it a little bit, but haven't used it in a while. I use all 5 purples, which I show you over here. I'm always doing that. I swatched the wrong place. Okay, these are all the purples in the palette. So this one right here looks white, but it has like a pink purple. This is the one I put just before the outer corner. This one is in the inner corner. This one is right next to it. This one is the one right here. Gotta make sure. This one is right here, and also in my outer corner. I take this one and I blend it all the way up to make sure that everything is tied together. And that's the same color that's in the outer corner and under my lower lash lines. So those are the shades I use. I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shades. This is today's simple everyday eyeshadow look. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember self first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I will see you in another video.